Todo, happy birthday. Mamuklat na kang kaya kanyan, mojito. Kaya salwa na ako mong bago bonbon kaya ni Leme.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, mamuklat na akong mojito kanyan, satan eh.
Happy birthday, Donna. Wish ko na dakal pang birthday na datang kaya ka na malakas, na alimag ka sakit, and we pray to the Lord na iganaganang desire na ng puso mo pagkalugno. Makanta mo naman yung relasyon nyo bilang mag-asawa. We pray to the Lord na lalo kayong maging matatag at may panintindi kayong bawat at metong. Ingatan na kayo palagi ni Lord kaya nga dadaling gadawan. More blessing to come, and lalo na kapang palakasan, Lord. Kareng years adatang pakya ko. We thank to the Lord na another year na pitalig na kaya kanyan, and enjoy mo yung magdongay ni, enjoy mo yung birthday mo, nabi mo yung asawa mo na masaya, and sana bawasan yung alak para lalong yung katawan yung health yung lagi kayong malakas. God bless.
Ate Dora, wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Do. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best. More scatter.
Happy birthday, Ate Do. Sana magbayo ko. Ulo kayo sa kakarlan. Happy birthday, Do. More birthday to come. God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Do.
Happy birthday, Ate Donna.
Happy birthday, Do. More scatter to come. God bless. Happy birthday, Do. More birthdays to come. Ako muna yung scatter mo. Ito.
Happy birthday, Donna Bells.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Donna.
Birthday, Do. What naman? Birthday, Do. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Do. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday.
Do, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mars Donna. Stay healthy and good health always. Alam mo naman na kailangan natin maging healthy. And stay pretty. I miss you so much. See you soonest.
Hey, Do, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Sana dakal pang datang na birthday kaya ako. God bless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Dad. God bless.
Hi, Dam. Happy birthday. Wish you more blessing, good health. Just enjoy your day. Sana itong wish mo before at yung wish mo ngayon eh. Matupad. Just enjoy your day. God bless always. Love you. Happy birthday, Dam.
Happy birthday po, Ate Donna. Sana bigyan mo ako ng benta. Kahit konti lang. Salamat.
Hey, Do. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana magka-baby na kayong John Bon. And sana lako magkapusitan, kabulangan, ang po yung kakasapin na. Oh, happy birthday. Happy Valentine's!
More birthday to come, and wish ko sana mas dakal ka pa maging benta. Kasi pag dakal ka benta, dakal kami naman benta.
Happy birthday to you, Ate Do. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Salamat always. I love you so much. Hello, Dang. Happy birthday. Tiririt. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Wish ko sa'yo good health palagi. Enjoy your birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Tiririt. Happy birthday.
Okay. Hi, good morning. Happy birthday ka, Donna Manuko. Sana meron ka pang 1,050. Oh, sorry, delay kami ngayon. May busy kami. Busy kami mo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Donna Manuko. Masaya kaya baitan kera. Greetings from Pitik di Kuiren. Thank you. Hello, this is Kina Show. Happy birthday, Doña Manukom. Good health and many more birthdays to come. At sana laging safe kayo sa anumang ginagawa ninyo. Once again, happy birthday.
Ay, masayang kape kaya paitan kaya ka doon na manukom. Doon na manukom happy birthday. Kaya lagi na God bless.
Happy ako, ito na naman ang happy nyo. Happy ako, Bapsoy. The original happy ako. Happy ako, motovlog. Happy birthday, Ma'am Donna Manukom. And greetings from Bapsoy and your loving husband, kang Bon Manukom. Ingat kayo palagi, more birthday and more power. At sana maging successing kaya kayong negosyo man or na maning kaya kayong kapanintunan na happy ako. Ingat kayo palagi, Bapsoy.
Yan, Maya Pabak po. Tune na naman ni Giligid. Greet kayo pong happy birthday, Donna Manukom. Yan, mga Giligid ko kaya ka. Salamat kayo, support tayo kang Giligid. Love na kayo po. Sana ito na kayo personal. Ay, tabi sa kang kaya, birthday mo. Di nang takang spam. Happy birthday, Donna.
Tita Donna, God bless you. Ingat ka palagi.
Hello guys, this is Beres TV. Happy birthday, Madam Donna Manukom. Sana daw ka pa birthday ka na sa. Lagi ka palagi. God bless you. See you soon.
Sabi mo ngayon yung birthday mo. Happy birthday kera. Sana dakal blessing na datang kera. At iwasan mo na yung kabuisitan at yung sobrang mo pride ang po yung isip anak mo. At sana dakal pa blessing na datang kera ta. Yang magkasakit ka ta, dakal pa datang sana. Alagpasan tamo rin yung kaya katamong problema ngayon ni kaya takadwa sopan da ka tandanan mo kaluguran da ka. I love you so much nga. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon mo ni ka pa stress kaluguran da ka tandanan mo. I love you.